Laura here.
Hi!
Dude, that was just like Laura's imitation.
I'm Lack, and also known as Hypocrat. So, don't hit me. Don't hit me. No.
Get out of my spot. I'm king of the land. I don't know why is my computer so noisy?
What's that loud noise?
I don't know
That
what.
loud noise is scary. That's scary.
That
You're trying to get scared too.
I don't know why that loud noise.
It's scary. Okay, let's just leave. Don't hit me. If you hit me, I can kill you in a second. No.
Ow! You just
That's what
burnt
you
me.
did. Don't punch me. Okay, I have
Bad
empty-handed.
person.
I'm empty-handed. Don't kill me. I'm empty-handed.
I know you are.
I'll give you my shovel if you don't hit me.
Okay, give me a shovel and I won't hit.
You promise?
I swear. I swear.
Okay. Here we go.
Thank you.
If you hit me with a shovel, I'm gonna hurt you.
I know.
Do you have a webcam on?
No.
Okay, good, because I was making sure that you weren't finger crossing. No!
No, you need to die.
Do not hit me. Or
You deserve to
dead.
die.
Well, don't hit me, because I gave you my shovel, so just don't hit me.
Lucky, not sand. I want
can kill
sand.
you any second. Be aware of that. Oh my gosh, you have a sword now? Oh wait, I thought it was a sword. Do
No.
not hit me, okay? I gave you my shovel, and no more hitting people. Truce?
Okay.
No. Okay, high five.
High five.
High five. Don't. Okay, no more high five. No, I only have 1.5 hearts. I only have 1.5 hearts.
I really want to kill you.
Just don't kill me. I swear if you do. No, you said you swore you wouldn't kill me. No more killing me. Okay. I only have 1.5 hearts. Okay, I need some food. Eat. How do you eat? Oh my gosh, I just threw it. No, stop it. Seriously, I'm trying to eat.
I'm a killer person.
Don't kill me. I only have half a heart.
Oh, really?
No!
I'm just getting sand and there's nothing wrong with that.
Okay, now I have 2.5 hearts. Oh crap. Now I only have half a heart.
Oh, I dug this pathway earlier.
Oh my gosh, look! What is this? It's awesome. I want to jump. I want to do parkour. I may die doing it, but oh well. Ugh, this is so easy. I don't even have to press control.
Dude, really?
Play with me. Don't hit me though, because I have my sword in my hand. Don't you dare hit me.
I can't reach you.
If you hit me, I have given you my shovel. Okay, truce.
What?
Here, truce. There, that's my gift. Truce.
That's your gift. I just puked it.
What is this? That's a book? It's a book. Wow. That's so great. Here's a boat. I'm gonna barf the boat. Hey, come back here.
I am coming
I can't
back
jump
here.
off of this or I'll probably die. Oh my gosh.
If you hit me off, you're dead.
I won't. I'm giving you a boat. Oh, you missed it.
Oh, I just hit myself by mistake.
No. Bad.
Oh God,
I gave you my word. I gave you my truce.
smiling sand.
Don't hit me. No, that's just not cool.
There's my.
Oh, it's like hardcore on this thing. Who agreed this? Oh my gosh, everyone's been agreed. There's not a single plot that's actually still built. Let's build our base. But not so close to the spawn. Let's run away from the spawn because that's bad.
Really?
Yeah. Ooh, diamond pickaxe.
Oh, I love these heads.
Mine
They're so.
it.
I got it. Oh, look at.
Yes,
Look.
yes, I got it.
Hey, tell me.
1 block of obsidian. We got 1 block of obsidian.
Tell me, what do I look like?
Whoa, this is the person's head. I want the head. Wait, what? What do you look like?
Am I wearing a head?
Sideways.
Am I wearing a head?
Yeah, I know you. Give me. Oh my gosh, this
Here, look, I have a head for you.
I want them all. I want all the heads.
There you go. There, I just gave you a head right
Well,
there.
now I have 2. So here. Oh my gosh, this is
this head.
What do I look like? I probably look like an idiot.
I want to see what you look like.
Oh my gosh, owner of this server, no offense, but you look like an idiot. I'm Herobrine here. No, my helmet. Okay. I almost lost my helmet there. Oh my gosh.
That's enough. I don't need any more of
No
this
admins
dumb
are on.
heads.
Yeah, right. That's not true. Okay, let's build our base. Oh, lava. Ooh, lava. Ooh, lava.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
I'm still wearing one of his heads.
Where'd you go?
I'm over here.
Disappeared.
Oh, I'm gonna go up to his base.
Wait, where are you?
I'm climbing the stairs, check.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It's a desert temple.
Where?
It's a desert temple over here. TPA. Desert temple. I want to raid the chest.
There are two POs, you're dead.
Don't kill me. I just accepted the teleport request, and I have my sword in my hand. So
Look out.
What? That wasn't supposed to happen. What? I don't want to hurt myself.
I feel like it's already raided.
Someone's already been down here. Dang it. Okay.
Oh, it's someone plus someone claimed this area.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That stinks. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go and explore. Hey, wait up. Wait up. You're so fast.
Really, I'm fast.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's someone's head.
Ah, where?
Look, it's right in front of your face.
Where?
Right over here with this derpy face.
Where?
Derp, right there.
Where?
Right here. You can't see it. Look right behind you. Look right behind you. Look up behind you. Ugh. Oh my
What?
gosh. See it? See it? How did you not notice that?
Where?
What? You're just doing that to annoy me. Diamond block.
No, seriously, I don't see it.
This person's got a lot of crap. How did you not see that? It's right in front of your face. I'll start mining it.
There's not even a face there.
What the hell is
Ow!
that? Oh, I'm so sorry. I
Don't
swear I did not mean to do that.
You
Do not
deserve to
kill me.
die.
I just hardly hit you. No. I'm just gonna let you. Church? Such back. You are so dead.
Really? I think I'm in detection.
I hit you. Oh, I hit you. Ow. Run through the face if it's not there. Run through it.
Oh my god!
That's what you did.
No.
Okay. Truce.
You should have seen that. Is I like the server lagged and I turned around, there was a Herobrine, and that just creeped me out.
Oh my gosh, I actually mined the block. Oh my gosh, we have a block of wood and a block of obsidian. We are that awesome. A block of wood, we are like totally
You
not.
better not scare me like that again.
Okay, truce. No, don't kill me. Don't kill me. Like, high five. High five. No, with your empty-handed.
Okay, I'll do a head.
Empty-handed.
I'll do a head. There you go.
No, dude, I only have 2 hearts. I only have 2 hearts.
You
Don't
need
kill me.
less hearts.
No, bad. Okay, truce. No shovels, no. I am Herobrine. Okay, you can't
I know.
kill me. No, I only have 1 heart. Sure. Don't make me get my sword out. I have a sword. Oh my
Dude.
gosh, I hate you so much. Please stop.
Okay.
Please, let's have a truce.
Okay. What in the world is that? Oh, got it.
Okay.
Ooh, I want that.
Whoa, why
Looks
do I have
good.
so much of this crap? I don't want it. Here's like 38 cobblestone.
I don't even know where you
I
are.
don't want it. No, I picked it up.
I don't even know where. I really like this house. You should TPA to me.
Where is it? I don't trust you.
It's. I swear, it's like a chest
I may
house.
see you.
I swear, it's a chest house.
Okay, where is it? What's this house in
If
here?
you
Yeah,
TPA to
you
me,
can't
you'll.
open the chest.
It has a lot of cool stuff
Water.
in it.
Oh no, I didn't make it. I didn't make it into the water. Okay, hold on, wait. Don't take all the stuff because I want some of it.
I can't take it. It's like someone's permission.
Yeah. Okay. We have to make a truce, so we have to high five
Okay.
for truce. I'm peeking in your window. Look.
Where?
Look. Like run around the house.
Okay, I will run around the house.
Okay, maybe it's not the house that I'm at. Hold on, wait.
Not. Is it shaped like a chest?
It's not shaped like just hold on, wait.
Oh, because this one is.
Um.
You can TPA to me and you'll see it.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
I just spelled that. Oh, psh. And I found.
No, we have to high five each other empty-handed, okay?
Okay, empty-handed.
High five. High five. I need to high five someone. Why is it not working? Why is the TPA not working? Okay, if someone.
There, I did it. I was stuck in the
High
hood.
five. Okay. Empty-handed.
Where are you?
Get rid of the food. I'm right behind you. I'm right here in front of your face. See me? I'm gonna hit you.
Yeah?
There.
Hang on, mother.
You
Where?
leave.
Oh, there, hi.
No, high five. Okay, I just high fived you. No.
There's your high five. And another high five. And another high five.
No, stop, please. I'm begging you. Herobrine's friend should not be killed by his friends. He should only be tried to be killed by Steve, but he always beats him.
Yeah.
Why do I keep on getting these random items? Here, have some dirt. Have some dirt.
I don't want your little dimmy dirt.
Your what dirt?
I don't want your dimmy dirt.
Okay, good. I thought you said something else. I thought you cursed.
No.
Like, what? Oh my gosh, it's a library. No, I don't want to read. I don't like reading. I'm lazy, but...
I'm creeping this person's outside house.
Just try not to get banned for it. Okay, I'm leaving. Okay. Coming. I'm coming to you. I'm coming for ya. I'm coming for ya.
What song is that too? I forgot.
I believe that I feel the end of me.
Oh my god, I hate Justin
I hate
Bieber.
that song. No. I can kill you in an instant. Be careful. We had a truce. We high five. You cannot kill me. We high five.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go in like 2
Oh
minutes.
my
Just
gosh,
gonna.
did you do a creeper face? Oh my gosh, we have to build Ender Bros.
Okay.
Why is there no mobs? I want to meet my friends. I want to meet my homies. Did you just fly? No. I see you have a cactus in your hand. We high five. Do not put that cactus. Katniss. Hunger Games. Do not put that cactus in your hand. Who's this?
Okay. I won't put the.
No! Don't hit me. We high five on it.
Here,
No,
look, step
no,
over here, step
no,
over here, step
no,
over here.
no,
Look,
no, you
look,
wouldn't.
look.
You would not.
Come here. Come here. I have something to show you real fast. Come here.
I don't trust you. You broke it to the lava.
Oh god.
I don't trust you. Okay, but I have my sword.
Hang on, don't kill me, don't kill me.
I don't trust you.
Yeah.
Oh wait, are the chests open? Oh my gosh, you can open the chest. Oh wait, you stole everything, didn't you?
No, actually, there was nothing.
People, put stuff in your chest so we can steal it next time.
Hang on, right here.
Oh my gosh. Oh no, do not. I will fall in the lava. We high five. Dude, I only have half a heart. Please. Please stop. I'm gonna rage quit. Wait, are we
Okay,
still-
hey. It turns out I actually have to.
still recording?
Huh? Yeah.
Are we still recording?
It turns out I actually have to go.
Oh, bye.
Okay.
Wait, stop recording or leave?
Yeah, stop recording. Like, I have to actually, like.
Okay, bye people.
Hang on.
Lava. Okay, bye.
Coming! As we watch her die.
Bye people.
Okay, if you guys enjoyed, everyone leave a thumbs up.
And follow my channel, please. Even though it has no videos, I am such a loser. But anyway, follow me
Yeah.
Comment your name so I can see, and you can join my Herobrine army. After I get done with these people grieving it, someone keeps on grieving it. And if you see someone named River Caver on this server, tell an admin because they're a jerk and they keep on grieving me. Okay, bye.
Yeah. Bye, everyone.